It's a rare thing when a builder actually reaches out to purchasers before, or potential purchasers, or just the general public, and asks them their opinion on ideas that will help to create and to design new homes before they've even started doing anything. Like starting at ground zero with the needs and desires and hopes and dreams of purchasers way before you even put pen to paper.
Yeah, I was really inspired with their creative design thinking. I thought that really helped us in terms of, let's just not do a typical focus group where you sit behind the black glass or mirror and observe these people, but actually have our consultants, have our sales teams there, and everybody work together, but really actually understand where the behavior is in the living environment and what they do in their home and what they're looking for, any problems, and then how do we solve those problems.
And there's so much learning that can come from actually talking to people, because it's really where it all starts. I saw people asking questions like, why can't we do this? Which was like pushing boundaries way out there. And they really appreciated it and had bright ideas.